Okay, kids, today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a plant. But first I'm going to show you the picture of all these different types of leaves. And I want you to take your iPads out. And I want you to draw any kind of leaf that you want. Any kind of leaf that was special to you, or just something really simple with your stylus and your iPad. And I'm going to give you a few minutes so that you can draw your leaves, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. While you're doing that, I am going to talk to you about the life cycle of plants. So, a plant starts out as a seed that's buried in the ground. As water falls on the seed and the sun warms it, its hard shell opens and it starts to grow out of its roots. As the plant grows, its stems burst through the soil. Then leaves start to grow out of the stem. As the plant gets bigger, it will begin to grow buds, which later sprouts into flowers, and sometimes those flowers turn into fruit. And bees feed on the nectar. They pollinate the plants, allowing more seeds to be made and scattered along and grow again. Okay, so the words I want you to think about are seeds, roots, stems, leaves, and then flowers.
Yes,
Emily, what's one of the flowers you really love to see in the spring?
Dandelions.
Dandelions are a weed,
Oh.
but they kind of look like a flower. Do you have another one?
Honeysuckle.
Honeysuckles? They smell, don't they?
Yes.
Is there anything that your mom's ever planted that you like to see once it blooms in the spring?
Roses.
Your rose bush? Okay. So I'm going to give you, while you're finishing that up, I'm going to walk around and I'm going to pass out the life cycle of a plant, and then the pictures. So these are the pictures of the life cycle of the plant, and then these are, and I want you to remember what I just said, and I'm going to have you put those in order. We're also going to watch a YouTube video on the life cycle of a plant, so you can understand better on how the plants go. I would like, maybe we could go on a walk or something and we could actually go find some leaves. Fall's probably a better time of the year to do that. But there's still some leaves out there because now everything's blooming. What are those trees
Oakwood?
No. There's a certain kind of pear tree. Can't think of the name of it, but they're the white trees you keep seeing everywhere with all the white blooms.
Oh my God,
they're so pretty, but they smell awful and they're full of pollen and they cause everybody so much
sickness.
Allergies. The allergies flare up. So, yes, let's are you having trouble with your iPad?
No, I'm done.
Oh, okay. Can you hold up your picture and let me see it? Oh, that looks really nice, Emily. So tell me why you picked that leaf.
I picked this leaf because this is one of the leaves that I think is really pretty. And sometimes it reminds me of great-grandma.
Oh, it reminds you of your great-grandma. Well, that's really cool. And out of the leaves, which one did you draw?
Out of all of these, I drew that one.
The star-shaped leaf. It looks really nice. So tell me, where's the stem on the leaf? Can you show me the stem?
Right there.
Okay. And these are just the leaves and it's shaped like a star. So does your great-grandma remind you of a star?
Yes.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, well, we are going to finish up. We're going to watch a YouTube video and then we're going to have more discussion, and then we are going to do the life cycle of a plant and put that in order, and we will just learn some more.